Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the Font Awesome files and Scene Builder ready. This is about access and placement. Install the font on your system or copy the ttf/auth into your project's resources folder so Scene Builder can reference it. Open Scene Builder with the target fxml. Once done, make sure the stylesheet path and resource paths are obvious to both Scene Builder and your IDE. This prevents missing font issues later. Now move to wiring the font into your UI controls. Next, register Font Awesome in your app stylesheet with its font face and a clear font family name, because Scene Builder reads stylesheets for previews. Point the src URL to the resource path inside your project. Relative paths are safest. Define an icon class that sets font family, size, and baseline. Then, assign that CSS file to the fxml root in Scene Builder so previews show icons. Make sure to use the correct Unicode glyph or ligature string, otherwise the glyph won't render. Finally, assign your icon class to labels, buttons, or menu items and set the glyph text using the Font Awesome Unicode or ligature. Run the app to confirm runtime rendering. Scene Builder preview can differ from runtime, so always test. If icons don't appear, check CSS linkage, the font face path, and whether the font is installed on your system. Restart Scene Builder to clear caches. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see squares, verify the exact Unicode code point and ensure the version of Font Awesome matches your glyph names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.